everyone, welcome back to another Art for Kids Sunday. Today we're going to be drawing a cute sloth. So grab your pencils and paper and let's get started.
Okay guys, so for step one we're going to draw his head. So we're going to start off with an oval. He's very compact, so if you just pick a spot in the middle here with the head being towards the top, you should have plenty of space. So we're going to start off with an oval. Let me see here, maybe right here. So just kind of want it a long oval, about like that. Okay, so that is step one done. Let's go on to step two. And step two, we're going to put in some facial features here. So what we're going to do is kind of like the Mickey Mouse thing where you go up and then the point in the middle and the going down around. We're going to kind of do that, but instead of having 1 point, we're going to have about 3 points. So we're going to start over here on the left side, and we're just going to curve it up, maybe to about right there. And then we're going to do actually, let's go ahead and just do the point right in the center first. So that way we can kind of get an idea. So I'm just going to put a couple of lines here so I can get an idea of where the center is. So I'm going to do the Mickey Mouse thing with the point in the middle, and then we're going to come around and bring it off to the side over here. So kind of like Mickey Mouse would look like, but right now we're going to put in a couple of hairs. So we're going to do one like that, and then we're going to do another one like that. Okay, that's it. So it's just going to be this one on the bottom, and then the one going up, and then continuing on that line. All right, very good. Let me see. Let's do the eyes next. So the eyes are going to be quite big. So let's do another oval. Maybe right there. All right, and we'll do another one over here. Try to match the size. So about, I think that's pretty good. Okay, and then let's do some little eyebrows here. So remember, the outside is going to be kind of pointy, and then the inside here is going to be more rounded. So I'm just going to do a shape kind of like that, like a little water droplet. And then we'll do the same thing over here. So kind of like that. I think that's pretty matched. Okay, we're going to have a pupil here, the black part of the eye. So let's do another oval about maybe right there. So I wanted to come down and then kind of follow along that curve right there. And we'll do another one on this side. So let's go here. And then come up to about there. Yep. All right, and then the nose is going to be kind of a rounded upside down triangle. I think most of the animals' noses are kind of like that. So we're going to do kind of like that. Very good. I think it's turning out really good. All right, let's do his mouth. So we're going to have a little line like that over here. And then he's going to be smiling. And we'll do another line over there. And then a little kind of bottom lip mark, I guess you would call it. All right, and I think that is it. That is step two done. So it's coming along really good. Let's move on to step three. And step three, we're going to put in his body. So we're going to come out this side of the head, and we're going to come kind of a curved line like this. Maybe not that far out. I'm going to try to see where my final head mark's going to be. I think right there is good. So we're going to have him about right there, I guess. It's going to come down, and then it's going to flare out into a curve. So I think about like that. And basically, if you think about it, it's just going to be 3 football shapes, I guess, in a way. So you're going to have a leg here. We're going to have an arm here. And then we're going to have another front arm here. And the back leg we're not going to be able to see. So we're going to have this one maybe come up like that. And then we're going to have the other arm. Let me see, maybe we want it to come out and come almost to the center line here. And then we're going to have it go up to about right there. I think that's good. All right, and then this, let's go ahead and come out of his face on this side. So I think the head is going to probably come to about right there. So I think that's going to be the final line right there. All right, I'm going to come out about maybe here. And we're going to have this arm curve over to here. And just round it off here. And have it go up like that. Is that good? Maybe, let me see. Maybe that's better. I want to come a little bit closer to that other arm. But not so fat. So let's come back about right there. Yeah, that's better. Okay. And then the body is going to connect about right here. And then we're going to have another line connect about right there. Let's make them kind of look like they're going to be connected to each other. So if that one was coming maybe right there. Yeah, that's better. Okay, so that is step 3. We got the body in. Maybe do another line right there for a little wrinkle. Okay, I think it's good. I like it. You know, this arm could be maybe a little bit more curved. Yeah, like that better. There, okay. All right, let's move on to step 4. Step 4 is very simple. We're going to put in some little claws or toenails, and they're just going to be little long ovals. So we're going to do one here, and one there. You're going to have 3 of them on each foot. Same thing here. All right, and then we'll do 3 over here. All right, and that is it. Step 4 is done. Let's move on to step 5. So step 5, we're going to put in something to stand on. So we're going to do like a little cloud shape. We're just going to have it come out, and you can do this any way you like. So I'm just going to do a curve here, maybe another one here, do another one here, and then we'll do another long one here. All right, so having a little piece of grass to be sitting on, maybe like that. There we go. All right, let's put in some little detail marks. We'll put it like a little bush piece here, and let's do another one here. All right, and then look like some grass is sticking up right there. You don't have to be detailed, just little bitty marks like that to show some texture to it. Okay, that's good. That's step 5 done. All right, step 6, let's do a big cloud around the back of his body here. And we're just gonna make like it's a big cloud or a big puff of smoke. All right, and that's gonna come all the way over there to that edge right there. Okay, next thing I want to do is add in some leaves here. So I'm going to do maybe like this. And then we'll put another one coming out maybe right there. It's going to be hidden behind his body. So that's good. All right, let's put some over here. Let's do one here and then one like that. And we'll put in some lines. And then let's do another one over here. Maybe it should be coming from the top like the other ones. Top. All right. And I think that is it. That is our sketch done. So let's move into the coloring process next. Okay, so for the colors we're going to be using today, I'll put up on the screen right now, but probably our biggest color is going to be this brown color here. So what we're going to do is we're going to do the body and the top of the head, but what I want you to do first is where this arm is right here, I want you to just think about that's continuing up to his head right there. All right, and then we're going to do another one over here on this side. So it's going to be coming out right here where this little V point is right here, and it's also going to be going up to the head. All right, so we want to leave this middle part not brown, okay? But all the other parts around it and the top of the head, not the face, but up here, is all going to be brown. So don't push real hard, kind of give it a light brown color. So let's do that right now, and this is the part where I'm probably going to speed the video up. You guys can pause it if you'd like, and then push play when you're finished coloring yours. Alright, we're back. We got all the light brown parts in. So let's do, what's the next biggest part? Probably the blue sky in the back. So let's do the blue. Pick up your light blue. We're going to do everything in the back here except for the leaves and not the part that he's standing on. Alright, we're back. We got the blue part done. Let's see what's next. Let's maybe the green. Let's take the very light green. So remember, we have a dark green and a regular green and a light green. We're going to do this bottom portion here in the light green. The leaves are going to be the regular green color. And you can leave these two little pieces of grass or whatever they are right here. You can leave those uncolored if you'd like. I think we got it. Okay, next thing, let's just go ahead and do the leaves. So pick up your regular green. Alright. That was easy enough. Okay, what should we do next? Let me see. I guess the mocha color. So take the mocha color, so it's kind of a yellowish brown, and we're going to do his face and his chest right here. Alright, that's good. I did the face very, very light. Alright, let's see what's next. Regular brown. So let's do his eyebrows, and we're going to push a little bit harder to make them a little bit darker than this body color. So about like that. We just want them to stand out a little bit more. Okay, I think that's good. Okay, and now for his eyes, we're going to have that signature little mask looking thing that he's got on his face. So we're going to just do a curved line like that, and then we'll do another one like that. Alright, and then we're going to color this brown in a little bit darker. So just about like that. Okay, then we're going to do the same thing over here on this side. Let me turn my paper where it is straight so I can see. We're just going to do a curved line like this, and then we'll do another one like that, and then we'll color that in. Yep, I like it. I think it's good. Okay, let's do the nose and the eyes. So pick up your black, and we are going to color the inside of the circle here, because that part's going to be the white part of his eye. But as we usually do, let's leave a shiny mark right here, and maybe a little one right here. Let's color around those. We'll do another one over here, and maybe a little one right there. So try to color everything else, but not those two little circles. All right, I think that's good. Okay, let's pick up your mocha color again. We're going to do his toenails. I'm going to push a little harder so it can show up over that light brown color. And then we're going to do these two little cloud shapes here. Maybe they're another type of grass that's growing. All right, and I think all of our coloring is done. So let's work on our outline now. So wherever you have a pencil mark, you're going to do a black outline. So that's not a pencil mark right there. So we don't do up there, but the leg here is. So just keep that like it is. We're going to use just the separation using the colors only. All right, let's get started on that. Alright guys, I think we are finished. I think it turned out really cute. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this tutorial. If you want to get the high definition copies of the instructional manuals, I've got them over on Patreon. I will leave that in the description down below. If you have not subscribed yet, please do so. Be happy to have you here. And with that, I will see you next week for another Art for Kids Sunday. Take care.